Okay, keep going. Enrichment on page 290. In this enrichment, we will focus on the mathematics to explain why the range should be depends on U and G. Okay, now try to look at the derive. This one, expression for the maximum range. We know that this one I increase. Okay, this you can see that x will be the x position, should be depends on uxt, and t, this parameter t will be the time of flight. In the last session, we know that this depends on the initial vertical speed, this one. So combine these two together, you can have this expression ux and uy. At the same time, this range, you can express it ux, what is it? Should be u cosine theta. Uy should be what? Should be u sine theta. Then you can see that this part. Okay, this part. And combine these two together, pick out u, should be u square, and then put 2 into it. You can see that 2 sine cosine theta. In mathematics, you should know that the compound angle relationship. 2 sine cosine theta should be sine 2 theta. This. Okay, you can search it from your mathematics book. This one. Mathematical identity. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. True for any theta. Then what will happen here? In order to find out the maximum value in mathematics, for the sine function, the maximum value should be 1. It means that when sine 2 theta is maximum, it means that 1. Here, sine 2 theta should be 1. But sine what will be 1? Should be 90 degree. Then 2 theta will be 90 degree. After the calculation, you should find out that theta should be 45 degree. Look at this. If you put theta is 45 degree, 2 times 45 degrees will be 90 degree. Sine 90 should be 1. Then this one will be the maximum value. This mathematics tell us that y theta should be 45 degree to have maximum range. How about this? This one to explain it the other one. Same range, we will have 2 different projection angle. Look at this. If we put 90 degree minus theta into it, then you can obtain 180 degree minus 2 theta. And also, in mathematics, we know that ASTC, this. ASTC. What is the meaning? A means that all angle between 0 degree to 90 degree, all of them will be positive. How about this? This one should be 180 degree. If the angle is between 90 degree to 180 degree, only sine function is positive. Okay, then you can see that 180 degree minus 2 theta should be sine 2 theta. It means that exactly the same as the last one. This one tells us that we have 2 angles will have the same range all. Okay, next one. Next one is this enrichment. Projectile path with air resistance. This one actually you can know it before. Without air resistance, you can bisect it. Here, bisect it. The time for it to fly from initial to the highest point should be the same as from highest point to the position with the same level. But with air resistance, then what will happen? You can see that it cannot reach the highest point as before because we have air resistance in vertical direction. And also, we also have the air resistance in the horizontal direction. So the maximum range should be smaller. And also, how about the time? The time for it to fly to the highest point here, you should pay more time. Okay? And when it go back, will be less time. This one will be the effect of everything in the path.